Page 17, Boat Song. This is in the middle of the page. At the bottom of page 16, they're introducing a new note here. This is for the bottom staff, or for the left hand. And it is a B. On the piano, you have a group of two. Remember our group of two. And C is the bottom of the group of two, and a D is the middle of the group of two. Well, the B is right below that. It's right underneath that note. So now we got 3 notes learned. We only got 7 total, so we got 3 out of 7 learned here. That's where all of these are B's on the piano. All of these are B's. They're all over the place. But the B we're after is the one they show in the music at the top of page 17. It's for the bass clef, the bottom staff. It's right above the staff. And that is this B. So middle C and B is right next to it. So we got middle C and the notes next to middle C here. They're showing second finger to play it. No, that's fine because you happen to be in this position. You're going to use second finger. You can use any finger to play these notes, but right now that's second's fine. So in Boat Song, you see the C and the B. We got these. It's the same thing we were doing in the right hand here. We're doing in the left hand here. And for Boat Song, since you're not using the right hand, you can leave the right hand on the lap. This is for left hand only here. So let's look this over. I see it's 2 measures long, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature, and it's left hand only. We got C's and B's, quarter notes and a whole note. So we can do that. We're here. Okay. You make sure you have the counting. It's the quarter notes and the whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So got the counting down. And remember, you only count it at first. And if it's really simple, you don't even need to count it. You can feel it right off the bat. But I'll go through the routine every time anyway. So let's play this together very slowly and check. Are you playing the same note I'm playing at the same time I'm playing it? I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. We give a duet for this. I'd like to play the teacher's part. You play what you just played. We're going to go the same speed. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.